And I'm Alex. Now, Anna here really loves to eat pomegranates.
I sure love pomegranates.
I love food in general so much that sometimes I even like to wear it on myself or on my face. But let's get back to pomegranates. The problem with Anna eating pomegranates is that sometimes it takes her a really long time to eat the pomegranate. And often that interferes with things like my bedtime.
So we have a short video to show you some of the tips that I've discovered to make eating pomegranates a lot quicker and easier. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you are interested in more food tips from us, you can check out our website at garlicdelight.com.
Equipment. You need a big bowl with some water in it, a knife, a chopping board, and of course your pomegranates. Grab my pomegranate and I cut the ends off. So you score it. I do about 5 to 6 cuts. Break open each segment based on the lines that I scored. And this is where the water is super helpful because it really collects the seeds and helps me push them out of the pomegranate. You can see here the membrane floats, which is really useful because it really helps speed up that I can just scoop them up once they all float at the end and throw it out very easily. So there you go. It was that easy, and now I have amazing, beautiful, delicious, tasty, tangy, I can't wait to try pomegranate seeds.